Hey guys, Max here with A1 Website Pro, and I just wanted to show you something really cool with the home inventory app. You know, if you have thousands of items that you're selling like on eBay and stuff, let me just show you what we got going on here. I have all these old albums, right? And I'm just gonna type in the name of the album, "Sing Along with a Polish Song," just like that. So I just put in the name of the album, and this is the album that I got. So here's the picture that we took, right? And we're just doing this to get rid of this stuff. And so basically, I'm just gonna go here, click sell now, and whenever somebody's already listed it, and which they probably already have on eBay, all you have to do is bring a picture over, and I'll bring a picture over like this, and then you'll notice it already puts the title in for you. It puts a lot of the stuff like it's in vinyl records, and it has all these pre-filled stuff, and you can actually select more stuff to get more searches. Um, this is multicolor, so on and so forth. But you can make it, you could do a lot faster than entering all the information yourself. And then you come down here. The condition is used, but good condition, stuff like that. Now, right down here is really cool because you could just use the AI description because that's what took the longest, right? Uh, Writing this description. And then I just go to the A1 Sold app because this is how I keep track of where everything is. I'll just throw in the description, the one that I generated from AI. You know, if I wanted to list it somewhere else, I actually also grabbed the title. You know, because this A1 Sold is absolutely free to use and it organizes everything. I'll put it on here for $1. I got one of them. The location is going to be the office and the bin number is L1. So that information always lets me know where that is. So whenever it sells, all I have to do is look it up on here, the Polish songs, and I'll know exactly where it's at. All I have to do is do Polish, just like that, and there it is. It tells me the location and its bin number, what it looks like in the description. And if I want to, I could list it other places later. So I just thought that I would show you guys that. And, listing in them on eBay here is a lot, easier. But you can use this information to enter into your A1 Sold app. You just come down here, enter the information, starting bid, 99 cents. I just leave my shipping at $9. And then I just keep coming down here, click list it. And so within a couple seconds, I have an eBay listing that I hardly put any work into. It's just old albums that we have laying around here. And whatever they sell for, they sell for. It doesn't matter to us. But, let give somebody else out there what they want. And we get to organize it with the home and business inventory app on a1sold.com. And it's just, it's a fun thing to do. All right, this is Max with A1 Sold, or A1 Website Pro, rather, and I'll see you in the next video.